when packages started moving from BakPak to OvrC'ye. The good news is that now you can bring all your BakPak customer networks into OvrC'ye while preserving device names, notes, logs, and all without having to build a new site from scratch. To migrate your BakPak customers into OvrC'ye, follow these 4 simple steps. Link your dealership BakPak account to OvrC'ye, update the firmware on the BakPak customer's package router, create a new customer in OvrC'ye for the site you're migrating, migrate the BakPak site. Step 1. Link your dealer BakPak account to OvrC'ye. If you're not already logged into your OvrC'ye account, log in and click User. In the User settings, you'll find a Linked Account section. BakPak should have been pre-populated in the application name box. If not, type BakPak in the box. Type the email address or username associated with your company's BakPak account in the email box. Then type the password for your BakPak account. Click Verify. A message displays that the account is linked. This is exactly what you want since it means OvrC'ye can now see the BakPak information. Step 2. Update the firmware on the BakPak customer's router to version 2.0. Note that this firmware update applies to package routers and other devices acting as BakPak patrollers. In this example, the BakPak agent is running on a package RT3100 router. In a different browser tab, log into the customer's BakPak account. Click the red Firmware Update button for the router, noting the message that once the update is applied, the device will no longer be able to communicate with the BakPak server. Don't panic, just take a breath and click it. It can take up to 10 minutes for the update to apply. When the firmware icon turns green, the firmware is now updated. Grab a tissue and bid a fond farewell to BakPak. Step 3. Create a customer in OvrC'ye for the BakPak site you are migrating. Log into OvrC'ye and then click Add Customer. Type the customer name, phone number, and email address. Name the customer's location, which is equivalent to their site in BakPak. Enter an address for the location and select the ISP. If the customer's ISP isn't listed, don't worry about it. Choose the local time zone for the customer's location. Enter a job code for the customer. For example, if the customer is one of your top revenue accounts, you might assign VIP as the job code. Click the Agreement and Consent checkboxes. And when you're done, click Save. Step 4. Migrate the BakPak site. There are 2 parts to this step, including claiming the package router and then migrating the BakPak information into OvrC'ye. For this step, you'll need to have the router's MAC address and serial number, both of which you can find in the Device Details box in BakPak. Click the name of the new customer you created for your BakPak location. Click Add OvrC'ye Pro Device. Type the package router's MAC address and click Find. Once OvrC'ye finds the router, enter the router's serial number. Then click Submit. After the serial number is verified, enter a name for the router. Then click Add Device. OvrC'ye will pull the package router into the customer's account, just like any other OvrC'ye Pro device. Click Scan to bring the rest of the network devices over. After the network scan is complete, click the Site Settings tab. Then click Migrate BakPak Site. Confirm that you want to migrate the site. After 2 to 3 minutes, OvrC'ye will pull all the BakPak information into the customer's location, and all without having to build a new site from scratch. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to bring your BakPak customers into the OvrC'ye environment.